Hey guys! So this week you are going to be in charge of completing several tasks in your stations. So when you get to our Google site, you are going to go to the student page. Once you get to your student page, you will see that you have several links that you can choose or click on. You've got reading, English, and social studies. So for reading this week, you will be completing the setting and plot story elements. So you will go here. Before you do anything, you will have a pretest that you can take. After you take your pretest, there are videos that kind of go through plot and setting. And here is whenever you are doing your independent reading, you will talk about the problem, how the problem got worse, and how it was solved. After you are finished with setting and plot, you can go down to ELA. This week for ELA, you will be working on compound sentences. For compound sentences, there is a pretest that you can take. There's the video from Justin Bieber that goes through with what a compound sentence is and what are the fanboys. Here is a PowerPoint that you can use to study. This is a Google activity that will be in your classroom that you can do. What are the fanboys? This is where you can list them. And this is an activity where you will identify the conjunctions in the sentence. And here is another one where you will write if the sentence is simple or compound. After you finish your compound sentence page, you will go to your vivid verbs. When you get to your vivid verbs, you have an assignment after you watch the video. You will write a sentence using 2 spelling words and a vivid verb. This is a PowerPoint on what a verb is. Here is an activity where you will be given an answer sheet where you will write the letter for the correct vivid verb. So if you thought the answer is B, you would write B. If you thought it was A, you'll write A for number 1. And that is all. If you do finish early, you can go to the student page. And let's see. Well, once you finish, you can go to your extra resources page, which should be over here on the side. But if you need any help, just let me know. Thank you.